Right, I've got the switch installed, and I just have to wire it up. So when I'm using thin wire like this, I use the soldering iron to take the ends off. That way I don't damage the wire underneath. And just tin it. Helps if I tin the pins first, wouldn't it? First one, which is a common, I'm using orange for that. And the next one is yellow, is normally closed. And white for the normally open. So just put it out so you can see what I'm doing. Just getting some heat shrink to go down over those wires. I'm also cutting some to go on the switch as well. Yeah. Okay. Let there be fire. What I'll do is I'll get another piece. Only just to keep them tidy. we go. Okay, so column, how about there? Actually, if I cut them all the same length, that would be about right, wouldn't it? Right. I know a lot of you are shouting strippers, but this is how Eric taught me for these thin wires, so that's good enough for me. I wonder how many of you are going to want to have a go at making one of these. Oops. Excuse me. I just put some fresh solder on the switch because the solder that was on there is a bit old, shall we say. Do one at a time. Right. Orange is the first one, Raymond. It's the first one. Normally closed. Where it is at the moment, okay. Just get my meter. Find out which pole is shut. Right, so that's normally closed. Normally closed is the white one. And the yellow one. I mean, if it's the wrong way round, I just take the under the switch a bit, turn it through 180 degrees, job done. So there's the switch all wired up. It's now complete. Now all we need to do now is get the box drilled for the cables, and there'll be one of the tops on one side, and then That will go like that, and job will be a good one. And for those with hearing aids, you would have heard 3 clicks. 1, 2. Sorry, 2 clicks. The reason for that, this is a centre off switch. It was all I could find. So rather than wait for the ones I've ordered from China, I just put this in. I know it's centre off, and it's going on my machine anyway, so it's not a problem. Right, there we go. That's that bit sorted. I'll bring you back when I do the next one.